Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Market State Indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Market State Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested 334 indicators, and out of those 334 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is Ehlers Market State Indicator. Over the next few videos, we will be, I might not do it consecutively one after another, but there is a rather lengthy list of Ehlers indicators that was created by, I believe it's, Cheat Country is the user on Tradingview. And so at some point, we're going to have to make our way through all those Ehlers indicators just to test them and see what they can do. But like I said, I probably won't do it one after another. But if you, over the next couple of weeks, keep seeing the Ehlers indicators pop up, that would be why. All right, so back to today's indicator. Obviously, you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Pretty interesting little indicator here. Basically, we have this line here that is, I'm not really sure I would call this oscillating. Maybe stepping, I guess would be the better term for it. Nonetheless, you can see that it turns from red to green. There are moments where it is black, kind of in between the red and green, kind of creating a buffer zone. And you can see, like most of the Ehlers indicators that we've tested by Cheat Country, it also paints the bars green or red. It's actually kind of hard to see on this one, I think, because the black is so close to the green, maybe? I don't even know if I'd really call that the black. I mean, it's... So let's go in and change these here. Let's do that, so that way it makes it just stand out just that much more. Anyways, back to the indicator. So when it goes green, we're going to go long. When it goes red, we're going to go short. Pretty simple setup. We've done this many times before. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get. So we pick up our first short over here on this side. Right there on that one, I'm pretty sure that is a green candle. It is. Let's see if this pullback stopped us out, and it did stop us out. Then we pick up another short right there on that one, and that one would have done pretty decent, getting us to take profit. We pick up a long over here on this side, right there. Let's see, did we get a... Yep, we stayed within our stop, so another trade there and another winning trade, another winning signal. So let's continue on here. So we pick up a short over here on this side. It doesn't look like it quite got us to take profit. It did not. So that one didn't work out too well. Then over here on this side, we pick up a long right there, and you can see that pretty quickly this thing does a pretty significant drop. That would have stopped us out. Then we pick up a long right there, which gets canceled out by this short that pops up for just a moment right there. All right, and then over here on this side, we pick up a long right there on that one. All right, so what I'm going to do here is cut out some of the video so this doesn't get too long, and I will pick this up when a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Looks like we just have a couple more signals left here. So we pick up a long right here on this one, but we get a pretty sharp pullback with this wick of this candle right here, which definitely would have stopped us out. Then we pick up a long right there on that one. And you can see that this long took off really nice and still would have been riding this one out most likely had we taken that as a trade. And so that one would have definitely been a winner. All right, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. It's really super cheap. On our Patreon-only channel, we're posting some really good advanced information and topics. Our admin, Jay, has put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms, then it's not all of them, but like I said, a pretty significant list of the winners for the MT platforms. That is very handy for you to use. Our admins are also posting almost daily trade analysis, and so they're putting screenshots of the charts where they do markups of support and resistance, areas where they are entering and exiting and taking profits, the whole deal. Really, really great information if you are looking to dial in a trading strategy or train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions, or if you even want to just jump on some of the trades and see what you can do with them. Again, really, really great stuff. And recently I've been speaking with one of the members, one of our patrons, about doing more thorough testing of the winning indicators. And so what we're going to start doing is that member is going to start doing at least a 100 trade test on the winning indicators, and then possibly testing them across multiple pairs as well, so that we can start to refine that winning the winning list of indicators. Now, eventually I will start doing videos on that, but as a patron, you will get some really good sneak peek information that we'll start handing out to everybody in the Patreon only channel. So like I said, really, really good stuff there. I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's see, get everything in focus here. There we go, right there. All right, let's add these up, see what we get out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. And so unfortunately, this one's not going to make the 60% criteria. It's a shame because it seems like a lot of Ehlers indicators probably weren't meant to be used on their own, so probably in combination with other indicators. A lot of them are named like filters and stuff like that, so kind of leads me to believe that they're meant to be used kind of maybe as confirmation with other indicators, like I was saying. So, but this one, like I said, it's going to go on the no list for now, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.